515 Cafe. This is here inside at Santa Lucia, a hidden cafe para sa aming mga taga Novaliches here at Carlos Street. Grabe. Actually, this is my second time to be here. And I'm doing this to support the business of the young ones. As you can see, grabe. Ang mga young ones talaga, very Gen Z ang design. And not only that, they know how to run a business. Matcha, tiramisu latte, you can see those things. And here is the menu, guys. You know what? I fell in love with their coffee. Etong kanilang sea salt latte and sea salt oat latte. Grabe yan. I will not name names, but you know the other commercial coffee shops na may ganyan na sea salt. Naku po, dito affordable and masarap. Kalasa pa, but you know, it is out there. Masarap talaga. Pasta and everything, so I ordered this baby back ribs. Ito raw ang bestseller nila. Fries for my baby boy, Hungarian sausage for my wife. Titikman muna natin, pero ito ang kanilang sea salt latte. Tikiman time muna tayo, mga katatay. Alam nyo ba, I did not expect this dahil ang price niya is only 199 pesos. Pero malambot, masarap, sulit. Pwede na. I cannot compare it, of course, dun sa mga mas mahal. But with the price, masarap na talaga, hindi tinipid. 199. Napapangiti pa ako. Okay ang quality. This is the Spam rice with egg for my son. And yan ang kanyang in-order. Gab-gab, maglakad ka na ulit.